Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Trust Wallet app. First, understand that Trust Wallet is a non-custodial mobile wallet, meaning you control your private keys. It allows you to securely store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies and NFTs. We'll cover everything from setting up your wallet to making your first transaction, ensuring you can manage your digital assets with confidence. To get started, download the Trust Wallet app from your device's official app store. Once installed, you'll have the option to create a new wallet or import an existing one using a recovery phrase. If creating a new one, carefully write down your 12-word recovery phrase and store it in a safe, offline location. This phrase is crucial for restoring your wallet if you lose your device. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful content. And speaking of staying sharp, a quick recommendation. Stay hydrated anywhere with an O-Ala water bottle. Keeping your mind clear is key, especially when managing your crypto. Check the description for a link to the O-Ala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Sending and receiving crypto with Trust Wallet is straightforward. To receive, simply tap the Receive button, select the desired cryptocurrency, and copy your unique wallet address to share with the sender. To send, tap Send, choose the asset, paste the recipient's address, and enter the amount. Always double-check the address and network to prevent irreversible losses before confirming any transaction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.